Okay folks, this is a quick video on how to save your three-dimensional object as an STL file so that it can be 3D printed. So, in front of you, you can see that we have one 3D object. Very simple. What you're going to do, File, you go down to Save As, but do not click on Save As. We want to slide over to Save Copy As. And that'll give you the option down here to save as a whole bunch of different files. We want it to be saved as an STL file. We're going to click on Options. We're going to make sure the units say inch, and it's set for high resolution. And then after that, everything else is fine. We're going to hit OK. And then you're going to need to direct it into the keychain dangle STL file folder. This example came out of my period 7 class. So that's why it's going into the KCD STL file for period 7. Open that up. Student's name is there. Keychain dangle. Which version they're at, that's fine. That just means they tried more than once. And the color of plastic that you'd like to see this 3D extruded as. And then you can hit save. Now when I hit save, because I've already done this once, it's already there. So it's going to say, do you want to replace it? So yes, if you make any changes to this file, you do have to update the STL file. Okay, that's all there is to it.